Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the internet connected but browser not working issue in Windows. Are you facing issues browsing the internet even though your device says it's connected, but websites just won't load? This can be super frustrating, especially when you need to search for something important or get work done. Don't worry, in this video, we'll go over the most common causes and share several effective fixes to help you solve this problem for good. Stick around until the end so you can browse the internet smoothly again without any issues. You might think the problem is with your browser or your internet provider, but in 95% of cases, it's actually caused by a simple setting in your network and internet control system. We know how annoying this can get. Sometimes you even think about doing a factory reset. But before that, let's try these proven methods that can fix the issue completely. All right, let's get started. First, restart your Wi-Fi router and your computer. This simple step refreshes your network connection and can instantly fix minor glitches. Next, open your browser and clear the cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can block new connections. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data, and remove temporary files. If that doesn't help, let's reset your DNS cache. Click the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Then type these commands one by one and press Enter after each. ipconfig/flush DNS, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew. Now restart your browser and see if it works.
If it's still not loading, check your network settings. In the search bar, type Control Panel and open it. Click on Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. Click your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, select Properties, then choose Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP/IPv4 and click Properties. If you see any numbers in the fields like IP address or DNS, delete them and leave the fields blank, then click OK. Repeat the same step with Internet Protocol version 6 or TCP/IPv6. If any numbers are entered there, remove them and leave the fields empty. Having numbers in these settings may indicate a manually entered IP address, which could be causing the connection issue. If the problem persists and you're still unable to browse the internet, let's move on to setting a custom DNS. In Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP/IPv4, choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. These are Google's DNS servers. Click OK and close everything. If that still doesn't fix it, you might have issues with VPN or proxy settings. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet tab, then click VPN. If you see options like Allow VPN over metered networks or Allow VPN while roaming, turn them off. Then go back and select Proxy and make sure Use a Proxy server is turned off. Now, try opening your browser again. In many cases, this step alone solves the issue. If none of those methods work, the final step is a network reset. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, click Advanced Network Settings, then Network Reset. Click Reset Now, and your computer will automatically restart. This reinstalls your network drivers and restores all settings to default. Once it reboots, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or LAN network, and your browser should now be working perfectly. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix your browser not working even though your internet is connected in Windows. If any of these solutions work for you, share your experience in the comments. It might help others too. And if you're still having issues, feel free to ask in the comments and I'll try to help you out. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.